Welcome to Positive Change. In this video, we are going to discuss about the transformation power, or we can say the power to transform. Friends, sometimes we feel less is more. Yeah, fear less, eat less, hate less, love more. Okay, let's dive into the topic of very often, while going through our life journey, we come across different types of surprising scenes which leaves permanent scars on our memories and are difficult to erase even after many years have passed. What makes these different types of negative episodes so difficult to overcome, and why do they have so much power in them that they can influence our consciousness so much? So much in the sense that life is not the same again after they have passed. What makes forgetting negative scenes so demanding for many and not so much for others? Why is it that the power to face a negative situation is less in some and more in some others? Let's take an example of an accident. Sometimes, suddenly in a plane crash, a few hundred people lost their lives and leave behind a few thousand people who are close to them, either friends or relatives. But some are able to overcome their sorrow after a few days, some take months. So it's completely different set of responses, right? Each person has their own response based on different factors. We all experience different situations almost every day. Hope you agree with me. Can I get yes? Life is not without twists and turns, and as time passes, relationship becomes more and more complex. Nature of people around you also become more and more different from yours. Work at a workplace becomes more and more challenging and competitive. And also many different physical and mental illness are on the rise. These are all some of the common spheres of life where almost everyone in the world is facing problems. Even the human mind today is not as simple and content as it was around long time back, or we can say 10 years back, 20 years back. Weaknesses like lust, anger, greed, attachment, ego, jealousy, hatred, and low self esteem have made people extremely complex, which further increase the magnitude of the problem in their life. So, how do we face them with ease? Let's think about it. Definitely, I will come back to you soon. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please do share with your friend circle. Good day.